Alright guys, we're finally back here today. It's been a long time since we made a video, but
someone decided to have a baby. Just saying.
it's fun. But anyways, we was doing a little playing around today in the truck and ended up messing some stuff up. We're gonna try finding out what we messed up today. I'm gonna show you all the truck first, then we'll get this truck we're playing in. Silverado, straight axle swap on 40s. Of course, no 4-wheel drive, just 2-wheel drive. I kept the 10 bolts in here until just till it broke, which is possibly now. It's something in the back axle popping. It still has pulling power. It actually, we wasn't doing nothing when it started popping. It just, we was taking a left turn and it started popping real bad. I think it's something to do with this left axle. We're gonna find out. I just want to show y'all the truck a little bit, so y'all see. A lot of y'all probably already know it. If y'all know me, you know, big old truck. And this camera right here is at head height right now, just to give you an idea. I mean, you can see in the deal how tall this truck is and stuff. So we're gonna get under here. We're gonna see what's going on. So breaking the cover bolts loose right now. It says 10 bolt rear end. Kind of stupid to run 40s on 10 bolt, but you got to work with what you got. Sooner or later I probably will be upgrading it. I'd actually like to put coilovers in the back just to see it still be sprung. Let's see what we got. The fluid? Yeah. Not with me.
I think there's a pan in the back of the truck, ain't there?
What truck? I don't know. Let me go grab the pan before you pop it loose. So I found a pan, so we just cut out a jug. I don't know if there's even oil in this thing or just straight water. Ugh, sludge.
Okay, the swamp.
Yeah. At least it has something in it. Had more than I expected in it, to be honest with you. Dang. Oh, the magnetic pieces, son. That's rough looking.
That's teeth. Off of what though?
Probably spiders.
Oh shit, look. There's a block. Yep.
Spider gear?
Yep. Up in there.
Yeah.
I'll turn some light on.
Oh, but dang. Right up in there, you see that spider ear chipped. Typical 10 bolt. At least my ring gear looks good. Didn't want to, I need 488s for it.